Hello, this is One Passion Studio here, and welcome to my coding game series where I solve problem-solving challenges on easy difficulty. Today, the puzzle that I'm going to solve is called blending colors. In this video, there's going to be two parts. The first part is me reading the goal so I can understand what to do, and the second part of the video is me solving the puzzle. So let's find out what I need to do. Designers are placing shapes of different sizes and colors on the canvas of an image editor. About colors. The shapes have primary colors defined in RGB colors notations. Red is 255.00. Green is 0.255.0. Blue is 0.0.255. Besides these, they also use yellow 255.255.0. Cyan 0.255.255. and magenta, which is 255.0.255. All shapes have a very thin black border, which is all zeros, and are on a white background, which is all 255s. The shapes are defined as transparent, so that when one shape is overlying another, the colors will mix to reveal a new color. When two or more colors blend together, the new color is the average of all layers' colors. For example, when R and G blend, the mixed color is 128.128.0. When Y, M, and G mix, the result will be this, which is equal to this. We round the decimal results to get the nearest integers. For example, 10.4 is regarded as 10, and 10.5 is regarded as 11. Black and white do not have blending effects. In the final design, only squares and circles are used. Designers want to have a program to automatically calculate the color at any chosen point. When a chosen point is within one or more shapes, report the color or mixed color at that point. When a chosen point is outside the shapes, report white. When a chosen point is on the borderline of any shape, report black. Yeah, I'm going to use PHP, so let's find out what codingame has provided me to do. So for the first line is basically integer SNP for the number of shapes and number of checking points. For the first for loop is each line defines one shape by 7 elements, which is either a square or circle. XO and YO are integers. For a circle, this is the coordinates of the center. For a square, it is the coordinates of the lower left corner. We are using the coordinate system. All square sides are parallel to the X or Y axis. Len is an integer. For a circle, it is the radius. For a square, it is the side length. RGB are integers, color values of the shapes. For the next for loop is each line defines a point by integers X and Y. You have to calculate the color at each of the points. And for the output is basically write P lines. Each line is an RGB color notation in format RGB. For the constraints, 1 less than equal to S is less than equal to 50. 1 less than equal to P is less than equal to 50. 0 less than equal to X, and Y is less than equal to 1000, which is the canvas size limit. 1 less than equal to len is less than equal to 500. 0 less than equal to RGB is less than equal to 255. Some shapes may be partially drawn outside the canvas. Your business is within the canvas only. So this is the example of input and output, and there are only 5 canvas from RGB, CMY, all colors, concentric, and big canvas. Okay, so now the second part of this video begins.